Yeah, I think farming was probably bred into me, and there was nothing else that was ever in my sights of what I wanted to do. My name's Andrew Kirk and I manage Warrenbean at Shelford in the Western District of Victoria. I've been here just nearly 11 years. We're 4,300 hectares, 1,200 hectares of cash cropping, wheat, faba beans and canola, joining 8,200 dual-purpose merino ewes. In a normal year, we're feeding between 300 and 500 tonne of silage and around 200 to 300 bales of hay. So we were looking for a versatile machine that could handle all those products. We knew of the Hustler, and it just so happened that about the same time they'd built a high capacity wagon, and so we were able to get a hold of one of those. Yeah, I do like its simplicity and lack of moving parts and low maintenance. We can feed about 1,500 ewes to a full load and get that done in between 45 minutes and an hour. References on the Hustler website were actually pretty important to us making the decision to buy this machine. Yeah, we were able to see a system on there that is what we had in our mind, but that gave the owners of the business confidence that we were buying the right machine that's doing the job.